the red color. Soda. And this is the vinegar, and it's gonna shake. Now I got my goggles, and now I can put this. Now I'm going to mix the water. Now I'm going to put the colour into the vinegar.
And what colour is it?
Red.
You're going to add 5 drops.
Now I'm gonna shake the vinegar with the colouring. Shake, 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 shake. Now I'm gonna put the vinegar into the water. Now I'm going to pour the vinegar in the water. It was fun in the world. It exploded. Thank you for watching my volcano show.